So I started playing when I was 6 years of age. Played all the way up through the ranks in Ennis with some great people involved with us. Father Nigel Maloney, Liam Brown, Damon O'Connor, and there was lots more as well. Lots of great memories there. My family, lots of history in the club. My grandfather Tony and my uncle Alan. So we're rightly steeped into the club.
Even lads we played with back along and up through, we still keep in contact with them as well and stuff, and there is plenty of good memories. And we had a very successful team, to be fair, in Ennis, we basically nearly won everything we competed in all the way up through along. I just think it was really enjoyable, and like Tony's dad Ken, who was one of our coaches, and Sledge, they just made everything so easy and enjoyable, and there was no pressure. I don't ever remember going down to the club kind of going like, oh, I have to go to rugby training today, or Joe, you were looking forward to it and you knew it would be a good laugh and you knew you just mess around. I was a messer, that's why I enjoyed it so much as well, but I was allowed to mess around and they never really gave out to me or sent me home, which probably could have happened a few times, but I found it very enjoyable.
There has been people in the club, lads have given up mass amount of time travelling from all over the place. Lads have, even people were involved that didn't even have kids with us, and they were just very generous with their time. Myself, I just kind of feel a pressure to kind of give back to some of those people for the time they put into us.
We were the first two from Ennis to be contracted in the history of the club, which is, you have to take a lot of pride in that as well.
It was probably the success we were having with Munster that kind of drove us on and kind of put us down the rugby route, even though we had lots of success as well with our GA club, Dore Bearfield.
We played together as well in every age with Bearfield as
well.
Literally
everything, every game we had, we were playing together. So apart from soccer, he was looking after the soccer. Probably a positive reflection as well on the Munster system here, that they're looking at everyone. They're not just picking from one area, like from the schools and maybe clubs in Limerick and Cork, that they are looking elsewhere, and if you are good enough, that you will get an opportunity. To be fair, we had a lot of lads help us out when we were younger. Tom
Tierney and Greg and Fiach would have often came down to Leeds Road to help me on a Saturday, and you're always grateful for memories you have with those people as well.
Without those lads, probably we wouldn't have been where we are today.
There was plenty of young lads from Ennistown actually at that game. I remember Musgrave.
Yeah.
Can you sign my jersey? I play for Ennis and I'm from here. And do you know my dad? And it's cool, because when you're playing under 20s, you're not really known to a point, and you kind of have a nice feeling when a young kid knows you grew up and played for Ennis, and hopefully he has the chance, or he has a bit of ambition to play professional rugby, and he's just a young lad who we once were, who we wanted the big pros to sign their jerseys.
It's massive, because without the grassroots clubs, Munster is nothing really, or any club in the URC is nothing, so it's massive to give back and to celebrate where the players themselves come from.
And do you have your Ennis socks ready for Friday?
Tony's going to help me with that.
I'll sort that as usual.